How to change your Fortnite name in Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Fortnite name in Fortnite. First, open up your Google Chrome on your PC. Next, you need to search for Epic Games. After that, click on the Epic Games Store link. Now, what you need to do is log in to your account. So once you are logged into your account, you need to click on the profile icon that you can see in the top right corner. Then select Account from here. Now that you're in your account settings, you can change your Fortnite name. That is how you can change your Fortnite name on your Fortnite PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.